This morning, the man accused of attacking an officer before leading police on a chase through Wilmington will be in court. Lane Coleman facing a list of charges, including assault with a deadly weapon on a government official. And this video where the chase ended with a crash on Saturday near Market Street in Colville. Officers say it started when they received a call about a man stealing things from Independence Mall. Police say they found Coleman, who resisted arrest, grabbed an officer, and then put his car into drive. The officer was hurt, but is expected to be okay. Investigators say Coleman sped off, hitting several other cars along the way before finally crashing like you see right there.